Hey everyone, welcome back. It's time to learn how to set a callback reminder for a missed call on iPhone. Keeping up with missed call can be tough, especially when your day is fully packed. Fortunately, iOS 26 introduces a pretty handy feature that lets you set callback reminders right from the phone app, so you are less likely to forget to return important calls. That said, let's get started. So first up, you have to launch the phone app on your iPhone running iOS 26 or later. And then we have to tap on the Calls tab and go to Resend section. Then we have to swipe left on a missed call and tap on the blue clock icon. Then you have to select one of the preset options such as Remind Me in 1 hour, Remind Me tonight, Remind Me tomorrow, or Remind Me later. If you choose Remind Me later, you will be taken to the new reminder screen where you can set a custom time and date, add notes, and choose which reminders list to save it to. The reminder will include the contact's name, phone number, and any notes you add. All callback reminders automatically appear in the Apple Reminders app. You can view, edit, or even mark them as completed, just like any other task. And if you ever need to return a call, just tap the reminder notification, then hit the phone icon in the reminder details to call back instantly. This all-new feature is a subtle but powerful productivity boost, making sure important calls don't fall through. And that's about it. So that's how you can easily set a callback reminder for a missed call on your iPhone in iOS 26 or later. Now that you have unlocked this super handy feature, make the most of it as and when the need arrives. And I'll catch you up in the next one.